Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we are going to talk about my #1 recommendation to make $20,000 per month or more online in 2025 by selling something that's already in high demand. I am talking about AI infrastructure. I am going to show you how you can leverage GoHighLevel Snapshots to build a scalable, profitable business in no time. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. Let's talk about what GoHighLevel Snapshots are. These are pre-built marketing and automation templates designed for specific industries like real estate, fitness, coaching, and more. Businesses everywhere need these tools to streamline their operations, and you can be the person selling them exactly what they need. Think of a snapshot as a business in a box for your clients. It saves them time, delivers value instantly, and positions you as a trusted expert. These snapshots contain funnels, workflows, email sequences, and other automations that businesses can use to streamline their operations and drive results. Think of it as a ready-to-use system that businesses can plug and play to achieve success. Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to target solar professionals. Here's a sample snapshot. It includes a fully optimized solar website with multiple site options to choose from. All you have to do is add your logo and business details. The site even features case studies to build trust and credibility. In addition to the website, the snapshot includes high-converting lead generation funnels. Every business needs both a website and sales funnels. Websites build trust and provide a space for people to learn about your business, while sales funnels guide visitors step by step toward taking action. For instance, when you run ads, it's crucial to send prospects to a sales funnel, not just your website. In this example, the funnel includes a survey page to pre-qualify leads. These snapshots also come with social media engagement automations, 52 weekly SMS nurture campaigns, and a full year of email nurturing campaigns. These campaigns educate leads, address objections, and encourage them to revisit your site or funnel, ultimately increasing conversion rates. Most sales happen through follow-ups, as many leads don't convert immediately. These campaigns allow you to follow up with prospects for an entire year, helping you generate significant sales. But that's not all. There are many other features. These snapshots are complete CRM systems, crafted by some of the best copywriters in the world, designed to attract, nurture, and convert leads. Your role would be to reach out to solar professionals and offer them the entire system. You don't even need to be a great salesperson to succeed. When you approach businesses and offer them a fully designed CRM tailored to their industry, it practically sells itself. For example, you can use LinkedIn or Google Maps to connect with solar professionals. There are approximately 279,447 solar professionals in the United States alone, so the opportunity is massive. And that's just one niche. There are millions of small businesses in the United States. In fact, last year alone, 5.5 million new businesses were created. That's about 458,000 new businesses each month. As you can see, the potential is enormous. Now, let me show you how to install one of these snapshots in GoHighLevel. If you have a snapshot, you'll also have its link. All you need to do is paste the link and search for the snapshot. As soon as the snapshot loads, you'll see a button that says, "Yes, import now." If you're not logged in, the system will ask you to log in first. Once you're logged in, you can proceed to import the snapshot into your agency account. For example, I've just imported this App Master snapshot into my agency account. After importing the snapshot, the next step is to load it into an existing sub-account. To do this, go to the sub-account section and search for the sub-account where you want to import the snapshot. Scroll through your sub-accounts until you find the right one. This may take a little time, so be patient. Once you've located the sub-account, click on the 3 dots and select Manage Client. From there, go to the Actions menu and choose Load a Snapshot. Then, Select the snapshot you want to import and hit Proceed. At this point, the system will ask you which assets you want to push from the snapshot. Snapshots can include a wide variety of assets, such as calendars, campaigns, custom fields, custom values, forms, funnels, websites, memberships, pipelines, templates, tags, triggers, workflows, and more. Essentially, everything in a GoHighLevel account can be included in a snapshot. Once you proceed, the system will check for conflicts. If no conflicts are found, you can skip this step and continue. The data will then be copied, and you'll receive a notification once the import is complete. To verify that everything has been imported correctly, switch to the sub-account where the snapshot was loaded. First, check the calendars to see if they're loaded. Next, look at the Opportunities section to confirm that all pipelines and leads are present. Then, go to the Marketing section to find the trigger links. In the Automation section, check for the workflows that were imported. You can also verify that the sites and funnels are properly loaded. Finally, go to the Settings section and ensure that all custom values from the snapshot have been imported. Once everything is loaded, you'll have a fully functional sub-account with all the systems, processes, and assets from the snapshot. And that's how you can create and load a snapshot into a sub-account using a link. Snapshots make it incredibly easy to replicate systems across multiple accounts, saving you time and ensuring that everything is set up consistently. Let's do the math. Imagine you sell just 10 snapshots a month at $2,000 each. That's $20,000 right there. And here's the kicker. These snapshots don't just generate one-time revenue. They're often paired with monthly subscriptions for ongoing services. With recurring income from subscriptions, you're building a compounding revenue stream. That means more financial freedom and long-term success. Here's how you find clients. The best part? You don't need a huge ad budget to get started. Choose a niche you're familiar with or one that's profitable, like chiropractors, personal trainers, or e-commerce. Tailor your snapshot to solve their pain points. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, and forums where your niche hangs out. Offer value first, share tips, answer questions, and introduce your solution when the time is right. Show potential clients how your snapshot can revolutionize their business. Once they see it in action, closing the deal becomes so much easier. To make your sales process seamless, here are a few tools you'll need. GoHighLevel, of course, this is your core platform. Canva, to create professional-looking presentations and mockups. Zoom, to host your free demos and client onboarding calls. Stripe, to simplify payment processing. Also, don't forget to price your snapshots competitively. You're offering immense value, so charge what you're worth. And remember, testimonials are your secret weapon. Collect them early and use them to build trust with future clients. Once you've sold your first few snapshots, scaling becomes easier. Automate your outreach by using GoHighLevel's tools to send email campaigns, schedule follow-ups, and manage leads. Hire virtual assistants to handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on selling. Offer monthly retainers for running ads, managing campaigns, or building custom funnels. The sky's the limit when you position yourself as the go-to person for business solutions. So, are you ready to start your journey to $20,000 months? You will find the link to sign up with GoHighLevel in the description below this video. You will also get access to all my snapshots as bonuses. I have around 130 ready-made snapshots for different niches, such as mortgage, pest control, solar, electricians, home security, med spa, you name it. All these snapshots have been crafted by some of the best copywriters in the industry. People are reselling these snapshots for $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000, depending on the industry. And if you use my affiliate link to sign up for GoHighLevel or to upgrade to a different plan, you can get these snapshots completely free. I know a lot of people are going to hate me for this. As I mentioned, people are making a living selling each of these snapshots for $1,000 or more, and I'm giving them to you for free. You also get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days when using my affiliate link, as well as a free live bootcamp to help you get started. You also get the following bonuses when signing up using my affiliate link. Access to a full tutorial on how to get started with GoHighLevel, my ebook, which provides step-by-step guidance on how to sell GoHighLevel to small businesses, including a list of third-party companies for onboarding and support, a one-on-one onboarding call with a GoHighLevel expert, and access to a private Facebook group for GoHighLevel members. You'll find the link to sign up below this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know if you're ready to dive into this strategy, and I'll be here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.